Finding legacy title tools. So right now we're using our essential graphics, but if we want to go and find some legacy title tools, we have to go up to Window, we're going to go to Workspaces, and we're going to go to All Panels. And the workspace will switch over. Over here on the right, we have all the different panels over here. So we can come down into our legacy title tools. So for example, here's our type tool, here's our vertical type tool, here's our path type tool. So you can find some of these old tools here and get to them in these locations. So these are the legacy title tools.